Holiday Inn Resort, you're probably going to want to do the parking in the back. This big column here is where the elevator is. When you go inside the first column, you have the area where you get your luggage carts, and you also have access to the pool that's on the interior. We're going to be staying at the Holiday Inn Resort in Galveston. This is room 617, double queen. Right inside the door is the bathroom. Now this one here is quite cozy. Right inside we have a single vanity. A little bit loose here, but we have our faucet. We have Mama's favorite Dove body lotion and hand wash, and this one is locked up on the counter. That's pretty cool. I've never seen that before. We've got one set of plugs in here. We've got some regular hand towels and washcloths. We have Aromatherapy Associates Protect Shower Cap, and what is this here? Whisper Mint Mouthwash. I don't think I've ever seen a mouthwash at the Holiday Inn. And we have 4 cups, little tissue holder there, and then we have some tissue paper. Now this is quite cool. I've never seen them seal the toilet paper. That's pretty cool. Down below, we have 4 large towels, 2 half towels, and 2 washcloths, as well as an additional roll of toilet paper and a small little trash can. We do have an elongated toilet. We do have a picture of the Pleasure Pier that is right down the road. That's why we're staying this week. So if you haven't seen our video yet, you can go ahead and check that out, the Galveston Pleasure Pier. Inside the shower, we have the Dove body wash, shampoo, and shampoo. We got 2 shampoos. Oh, that's kind of funny. We're missing a conditioner. Inside the shower, this is a super short shower head, maybe 5'8". So this one here, I don't know if you see me, but I'm way up here getting ready to touch the roof. So this one here is about 5'8". It does have the outward shower rod to give you a little bit more space in here, but this one here feels kind of confined. It is a standard size tub. It does have 2 little racks for bars of soap if you have them. And it also has a safety bar in here. Feels quite sturdy. The bar inside, we do have a Keurig. Mamas everywhere love those, right, Mama? We also have coffee, and we have a couple of different types of that. Plus, we also have tea and decaf. A couple more cups. These are coffee cups and some sugar. We have an ice bucket, 2 more plastic cups, and a larger trash can. That's nice. We also have a full-size mirror that's decorative here with a light. And then right here we have a full-body mirror so that you can get in there and look pretty for the beach. All right, so we do have some art on the wall. And then we have a double queen today. Oh wow, and this one actually feels super soft. So this might be nice. Each bed has 4 pillows. The pillows are soft and soft. You got 4 soft pillows. On the nightstand, we have a phone. We have an alarm clock, and then we have a mounted power strip that has 3 plugs and 2 USB chargers. That's nice. On the lighting fixture, we have a power plug, so that means we got 4 power plugs up here. That's awesome. We got the remote, the channels, how to stay clean, and if you want the app, you can go ahead and scan that there. We have a drawer, no Bibles or other books inside. And when we come here, we have our TV. It's a flat screen TV. We have a 3-drawer chest, and we have a little Galveston Life Adventure book. This room does have a microwave and a full-size refrigerator. Inside the refrigerator, it's got a little freezer section on the top. Has room for your drinks on the side. And it has a couple of shelves. This is going to be nice because there's actually a grocery store right down the road. So if you're staying here for a couple of days, you can definitely take advantage of that. We do have one of those suitcase racks here, so you can unpack your suitcase. And then it has a desk. The desk has a pretty nice chair, little storage section here. The chair seems kind of comfy. We have another lamp that has 2 charging ports here, so it seems like we got a lot of power here. Gives us the ability to plug in anything that we need, laptop, phone, all of that. We have a light and a chair. Oh wow, that is super comfortable. All right, we have an AC blower so that it doesn't directly blow on the first bed, but it comes up to the center of the roof to give everybody a little bit of AC. And right here on the wall, it says, switch must be on for the AC here. So if you come into the room and the AC is not working, check the switch first. All right, so we do have a big, giant, almost floor-to-ceiling window, and we have a door, balcony, that comes out. Oh, wow. So we've got 2 chairs. We've got a table. Nice ample area to sit here and relax. Inside the room you can see. And then look at the pool. So we got a little splash pad area for the kids. We got a pool area, and of course, the reason we're here is a nice 104-degree jacuzzi. So there's areas over here where you can relax and hang out. They've got lots and lots of chairs. A couple of umbrella tables with more chairs here, and the jacuzzi is open till 11 o'clock. They do have a basketball right there, basketball hoop, for being able to play water basketball. And you can either take room towels, or right through the door there, they do have a towel checkout center where you check it out with your key card, and when you're done, you put it back in and it credits you back so they don't charge you for the towels. Now the pool is next to the parking lot, but there's a lot of coverage here, so people aren't just sitting there gawking at you. And what was really, really funny is when we drove up, we didn't really see the entrance to the hotel because there are 2 restaurants in the front. You actually go in between the restaurants to be able to check in. Last but not least, we also have the wardrobe. Open this guy up here, and we have a full-size iron. We've got probably about 10 hangers. This one here's got suit hangers and regular hangers. We also have the bolt to the floor safe. We do have soda machines. And sanitizer. Here we have the towel pickup and towel return. If you do not return your towel, it is $25. When you're done, you put it here, towel return. You turn around from the towel return and then you come out. They do have some rooms that are right next to the pool. They do have waterfalls where you can get a nice massage, and they have a jacuzzi in the back. Nice waterfall. It just tickles, it doesn't really give you a massage. It's pretty good, nice and relaxing. They got a little water pad here for the kids, and every couple of minutes it splashes. Right off the pool, they also have a guest restroom, and it's for guys, girls, or handicapped. Now, if you want to leave the pool area, you gotta hold this button down to be able to open the door. If not, you'll never get out. Between the 2 elevators is the guest laundry and ice. They have laundry here for $1.50, and they also have soap, bleach, and softeners, along with AC and hand sanitizer. This is the morning view from the balcony.
Like I said, all the way down, it's just beach. You can walk right across the street and get in the waves. And of course, got the pool downstairs. Today we have scrambled eggs, jalapenos and cheese, eggs and ham, potatoes, bacon, sausage, biscuits and gravy, pancakes, oatmeal. They also have some cereal and yogurt. Some fresh fruits, which are really ripe. They're delicious. And some milks. We have the business center here. You also have a charging station. You can also do faxes and postal services. We have a male and female restroom, and we have the bottle filler. The fitness center, we'll show you that in a second. They have the arcade where you can get tokens, play games. We got executive offices here in the back. And the fitness center is open 24 hours. Center rules. All right, we got dumbbells. We have, all right, so we have some treadmills here, an elliptical, oh no, that's not how you write it, and an exercise bike. And if you feel like you are brave, you can also get on the scale. Inside the gym, you also have a nice view of the pool outside. Ooh, they got weight balls, mama. And a yoga ball. We'll have a hot and cold water machine to stay hydrated, a trash can, and sanitizing wipes, as well as some stretching charts to show you what to do before and after your workout. Some towels to dry off when you're done and to wipe down your machine. This is the machine Mama loves. This one here is the Precor USA. Also have ballrooms so that you can have your meetings here. They also have a kids island where the kids can come and play. It looks like currently it is closed. Is the front lobby. They do have a store here where you can get all your stuff that you need, and they also have an ATM. So when you come up to the hotel, you're going to be seeing B Jiggers and the jetty. There's no big sign here that says Holiday Inn Express. When we came in, we actually drove all the way around the building, and so we found out that when you walk in here right next to the jetty is where the front desk is. The B Jiggers is a bar, and they will be having music until about 11 to 12 at night, depending on what day it is. And then you stay in all these rooms here, right next to the pool. Right on the beach. And when you stay higher, you have the ability to be able to see the beach behind you, level 4 and above.